Hi everyone. So I decided to make a new video after such dump, and most altcoins finally dumped. As usually, I will start with SP500, and currently, if we go to monthly time frame, of course, I would want to see SP500 a bit lower, at least. Like, for me, best scenario is to come to this area. This would be for me a strong sign to just go all in, like this area and these two areas. As we look at the history, like here, before SP500 came to 2026 EMAs, and it had a long bullish ride, and here from 50 EMA. So whatever happening here on a lower time frame, we may still have some chop, as we did here, for example, before going down, right? Or as we did here. And then, yeah, so my main target is going to be still at these areas. But let's see what we may have, what we may get on a lower time frame. On a lower time frame, just a second, I wanted to check something. Okay, let me go back to daily. Currently we can see, like this, I was drawing in a Discord and I was explaining that I will be short-term bullish if we will have a good daily close or 12-hour close, 6-hour close, if we will try to reclaim at least half of this previous candle. Okay. Also, we can see that the index came to 5,800 support area. It came, I guess, here we have FVGs. Yes, we have daily FVG here as well. And so far, if we will close daily candle like this, then most probably tomorrow we will have a good news, and we should have some news tomorrow. The core PPI, probably it will be something positive, and we will have some green days again until back to this resistance area. So which means that we can start accumulating maybe some spot positions if I will find some altcoins that already dumped a lot, or maybe some long positions. Of course, I should check as well USD dominance, that I will do later. And if we go to 12-hour, I was writing recently in Discord that I'm expecting, yeah, I see some bullish divergence. Where did I write it? Here. So I saw bullish divergence on 12-hour. You can see RSI here is going up, the price is going down. So which means that we may have some bounce until, let me put Fibonacci, until exactly this area, this FVG zone of 0.75, 0.618, and this area will be very important area to close. So if we want SP500 to make a new all-time high, Bitcoin to go back to $100,000 and maybe higher, then we need to see a breakout above this resistance zone on SP500. Breakout, retest, and would be perfect to break above this resistance zone as well. I will do it like that. Okay, because otherwise we may go up and then continue going down towards to this area. It should not be exactly these targets, but at around here we may find another support area. So far, like we still have 3 hours for the daily close. Yes, 3 hours, and so far it looks good. It looks positive. So probably I will book some shorts and we'll look for scalp longs, or maybe swing longs. I will check now also Bitcoin dominance and crypto market as well. Also, why I think that tomorrow we may have a positive day, green day, if we just look. Let's turn on EMAs. If we just look how previously the price was acting whenever it was coming to strong EMAs. For example, here we can see 2 days of choppy day, and then boom, green candle. Here as well, came, bounced, retested, and boom. Here it was, okay, for example, here came some choppiness or pump and down, and then boom. So we can also have the same pattern, like we go up, we dump, and then we do this kind of reversal. And then in this case, like this my high time frame bearish setup will be invalidated, and probably this will be another sign for bullish trend continuation. And also we should remember that soon gonna be Chinese New Year, and this is a seasonality pattern, and usually closer to Chinese New Year we always have green days. So this was about SP500. Now let's go to VIX. Let me check VIX. Just a moment, I need to check some high time frame. Monthly is still tricky, but we still have 18 days for the monthly close, so it's not telling me anything. And 3 monthly close, we still have 2 months and 19 days, so it's also not telling me anything. So we will better go to daily time frame and we'll see what we have here. So what do we have here? We have this resistance area as well at around $21-23, and as we can see previously, whenever the price was coming to this area, it was rejecting and dumping, coming, rejecting, dumping, coming, rejecting, dumping. So what we may get? We may get the same stuff, dump, again consolidation before another squeeze up. In this case, for me will be more interesting to see how deep will be the pullback. Will it hold above 200 EMA, the price I mean, or will it go below 200 EMA on the daily? If it will go below 200 EMA, for example, tomorrow we'll get super good news and the weeks will open below, I don't know, $16. In this case, we may get longer, like maybe 1 month of a downtrend on weeks. Of course, it's approximately maybe few days of green days, and then weeks will pump again. But the chances on a high time frame, on the same monthly, 3 months, is that the weeks will continue pumping currently is higher than if I would say like, no, this is it. From here, weeks will go down only. Okay, I need to wait for at least weekly close. If I see that the weekly close is bearish, then yeah, probably will have a new all-time high on SP 500, and probably Bitcoin will also do an all-time high. But it's still early to say. We still have 4 days for the weekly close, and during these 4 days we may have anything. Okay, the price may come back to 200 TMA and then go up. And so it means if we will have something like that, it means that yeah, I already showed here. It means that most probably SP 500 will pump till this area and will continue its bearish trend. Okay, so keeping an eye on the wicks, keeping our eyes how it's gonna open tomorrow, if it will hold about 200 TMA or it will be below. It will give us more signs if we will have longer green days or it was just a short-term bearish retest. Now let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is pumping. I have this gray area. I was writing about this in my article. I was writing about this. Writing about this in Discord. I'm sorry, and I was talking about it in previous videos. So this area is really important for me currently. Can we have short-term bearish reaction from this area? Yes, we can have on lower time frames. Like it can come. I will delete this. For example, it may come, reject, and this small move of 2-3% can give a nice pump on altcoins. Okay, so once I will finish recording this video, I will check altcoins that we can start accumulating to buy. And of course, everything I will share in my Discord. So yeah, as long, let me just make this area as a support. And just a moment. I will keep this area. So let's say as long as Bitcoin dominance is about 200 TMA, trading altcoins gonna be not easy. We will have good pumps and we will have good dumps. And really very important area, this zone, then this zone, especially this one. If it will break above, expect pump till here, which is right now for me 50-50 if it will be really that bad for altcoins or the dominance will increase because of Bitcoin. Because if you were checking the history, you could see that Bitcoin dominance was also increasing with the price of Bitcoin. Now let's go to Bitcoin. So now let's look at Bitcoin. This I may delete. This level below, or I have several charts and currently I'm a bit confused which one was recent one. If I'm not mistaken, this one I was writing, I was sharing in my article. And if you were reading my article, where is that? I was sharing it here. No, yeah. Yes, here. Please go and read. It's still not late. If you were reading article, I'm expecting still this area. This area will be for me just a big sign to buy and go all in. Like this is a safe area to start buying. and not be afraid if there will be another dip or not. Well, I think so, because we can see that whenever Bitcoin was doing a new all-time high, it was coming back to the area where it was starting its pump. Let's say here, same. In that all new all-time high, it came back to this area where the pump began. Okay, so same we may have here, and of course I would like to see the RSI on the weekly time frame at around this area 50 and 45. Same what we had here, September 23. This was literally the bottom. This area was the bottom, and same I want to see here. Yeah. And if we are talking about daily time frame, of course I want to see RSI much lower. But if we will have tomorrow a green day, then most probably we will have some bounce, and the bounce may come towards to this area. So this is where I would look for shorts. Of course, Bitcoin can do a false breakout and come to this area. And at around there, we can also try to short. But I think that this will be the most important area to short. And if I go to this chart, sorry, I have a lot of alarms here. So I gave this swing short in Discord. Yeah, here it is, and it came to almost second take profit, but it didn't touch and bounced, and I went too long from $88,000. To be honest, I have this limit order, but I will delete it because if see, I have here even this DCA area, which I wrote incorrectly. So yeah, this short setup will be still valid, and I also told to my Discord members that in case we bounce, we can DCA here, and I will still hold this swing short until these areas, like this and this. I want to take profits there. Yeah, and I want to see RSI much lower. So yeah, this is my plan about Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin will give us, let's say, oh my God, let's say it will give us 6, 7 move upwards, like bullish move, this can trigger really good altcoins. Because as I said, if we go back to Bitcoin dominance, if I'm expecting the dominance come down from this gray area, then we can try to long altcoins. And I will, after this video, I will go and check what we can buy and take a good move. What else I wanted to check? Yeah, total is back to this gray zone. What about this? This is not interesting for me. This is nothing. Same story. I want to see it lower. This, why I don't have any chart? It should come to fill this gap. I don't know why it doesn't show me the chart, but I should have a chart. And yeah, I would want to see it still higher. Maybe this zone 0.618, 0.75. Yeah, and it would do the same story on RSI here. Yeah, so we can still have some pump like from 10 to 14%. Okay, so high time frame, I'm still bearish. Still bearish. I will be bullish only if I see SP 500 breaking above this, then this, and yeah, this will, like, I will see this, and then I will see some confirmations breakout here. Then okay, this will be for me like a strong sign that we can start buying and not be afraid, or we can still or we can keep our long positions, or we can keep our spot positions, because now after this video I will go and check altcoins. So this was all for today. Yeah, let's see, maybe tomorrow we're lucky and we'll have a green day, maybe 1 or 2 days and then maybe Friday again nuke. I don't know, we will see. So this was all for now. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please put your likes, subscribe, and you can write your comments. I always try to read everything. And yeah, if you want, you can join my Discord. You can always DM me in my Twitter, but please, this is my real Twitter. Okay, and here I have all the links, so please double check so you will not write to some scammer. Oh, I don't know. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.